Accident records?
Diaz is printing up your copy.
Oh. I saw Sarah stop by earlier. I thought the Fitz case was closed.
It is. Is that bugging you?
I'm happy if you're happy.
Why do I feel like there's a bug coming?
I mean, the mayor's daughter, really, of all people?
Look, I know it's a bit weird, but Sarah, she's nothing like her mom. She's a good person, Mick. She's sweet, sensitive.
I guess I'm just protective of you, so.
Hey, sorry it took so long. Copy machine tried to eat the damn thing.
Thanks. Pretty brutal collision. Rachel was taken to the ER with a concussion and a couple broken ribs.
March 12, 2013. That was less than a month before 828 disappeared. And no wonder she wasn't feeling good in Jamaica.
Hey, you haven't heard the worst yet. The other driver in the collision? Jonas Hall.
Rachel's husband. Okay, yeah, I'm no expert, but it looks like this car T-boned the SUV.
And Rachel was in the SUV.
He crashed into her on purpose. Okay, what happened to that restraining order?
There was only one violation 2 weeks ago. Neighbor called it in.
Why, was no one home?
Hannah was. But I guess she refused to press charges when Rachel agreed to leave.
So Hannah takes out a restraining order, but then refuses to enforce it?
None of it adds up.
Does that neighbor have a name?
Ron Williams.
Thank you.